All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are at the shop, Pat Built Performance, and the S650 is done. The Whipple-supercharger is on stage 2 kit. We have the 375 pulley on here. It's on E30, upgraded heat exchanger. You excited, man?
Yeah.
Oh man.
No, that one was like, he doesn't even look excited.
Oh man. We're about to get this thing on the dyno. Actually, it is on the dyno. We're about to see what it makes. We already know what it's gonna make. It's gonna make like 770 to 775 or something like that. Woo! What do you think it's gonna make, man?
What, we'll say 760.
760, what you think?
760.
It's gonna say like 715.
715?
Yeah.
On E30?
This dyno's a heartbreaker.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, that's actually technically better though.
That's fine.
Yeah. I was saying he's probably gonna make like 770 to 775 realistically on E30, but if the dyno's a heartbreaker and it makes like 700 horsepower, technically that is good though. I ain't gonna lie. The car's cat delete, dumps, so you know it's gonna move.
I'm just excited I don't have a fucking Tesla anymore.
Yeah.
Dude,
oh yeah,
so
it's actually
quiet,
gonna be it's gonna be loud, bro.
I know, good.
It's gonna be loud, bro.
Like it was my first V8, and just like after hearing like your shit, like it is so quiet. I was like, bro, I gotta get out of this quiet shit.
Yep. Gonna put that 325 on soon. You gotta get used to it first.
Definitely gotta
get used to it first. It's a like 500 to 700 horsepower because you actually have a good tire on it. It's gonna feel fast, but it's not gonna feel like crazy, like uncontrollable. Yeah. But when you go from like 7 to 8, ironically, that's like when things get kind of that's when things get like, oh, it's quick. You know what I'm saying? So definitely get used to it the way it is right now.
I'm glad I have like a you know.
Yeah, you still got stuff to do. Put headers on it.
I'm glad I didn't go
smaller pulley, you know.
I'm gonna have to do oil pump gears too.
Yeah, but
which I should have did that realistically, like.
It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Kevin didn't do it, and he's making 900.
Balls,
but yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited to see what this makes. This is the first car I've seen on the new dyno at Pat Built. The dyno jet. We'll get my car in here soon. Heartbreaker dyno. My shit gonna make like 850, and people are gonna say you're lying. Oh man.
A few moments later.
It's loud, bro. It's loud.
That wasn't even cold.
I know.
That wasn't even cold.
It's loud. They got the headphones on. It's loud, bro. Oh my god. Ah. Here we go. We're gonna do a test run right now. Good. It ain't rubbing. If it would have rubbed right there. 755. Okay. With that big ass tire on it too. So, hey, that's taking some horsepower away, 100%. With that 30-inch tall tire, it made 755. You got the.
So we did a
Another one makes 780.
we did a auto baseline.
Damn.
We did a baseline on an auto
Yeah.
yesterday, and the baseline on an auto stock S650 made 413 on my Dyno. So it picked up 330 wheels
Damn.
per hour.
You have the graph?
Yeah, you can see it right here.
Ugh.
You can see it right here.
Oh man. Hell
So
yeah.
red is stock baseline S650,
Yep.
and then blue is what his just made right now.
755.
It's holding,
Yep.
holding power all the way up too. You can see.
It's
It actually was still fine.
It's still making power. What did it rev out to? Probably 78, right?
I only took it up to about 75.
Oh,
there.
75? Okay.
We could do one more. We'll go up a little bit higher. I just don't know where
Man.
Listener
I think it's actually 8 grand.
is. Is it?
It might be.
If you were on a street tire right now, it probably would make like 70.
Yeah, because he has a 30-inch tall tire on the car, so it is taking horsepower
I
away.
aired it up to try and make them stiff. Yeah. They're so soft.
Yeah. That's good, bro. 755. Hey, you said it's gonna make 700. I was like 770.
I said
Wait, why? His Dyno has
Yeah.
been
This Dyno has been a heartbreaker.
Yeah.
55.
Wait, what did I say?
You said
760?
760.
It probably makes that,
You
to be
said
honest.
790, I think, right?
No, I said 770, 775.
If I
But
take it, I'm gonna take it up higher. It's taking it up higher. It's gonna pick up.
I think,
it didn't fall over yet. It didn't peak was where I let off. So meaning it.
if you had the stocks on, it would have made probably like another, at least another 10. So it would have made what you thought. But, I mean,
I don't feel bad.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
okay with the Dyno.
yeah, it's good.
I was very upset the other day. We did a couple cars and I was like, man.
It's reading low.
Yeah, I was like, that Dyno's a heartbreaker.
Yeah.
People are-
This is more than this is fucking.
That's kind of better for it's better people who actually race though.
That's what it is. You're better with the lower number than the higher.
Now you can just say it makes 750.
Like
And
if he
then-
went and made like 850 right now, it's gonna look stupid. Because if
Yeah.
he goes and race somebody that made 750 and you're neck and neck, then it's a bad look.
Yeah. It's better to have it read
That
low.
is Brutally, my neighbors are fucking pissed.
Man, they be alright. Man, that's good power, bro.
Good.
That's good power, bro. You gotta drag it to see what it runs.
Yeah, we are gonna drag it. We gotta get that 39 degree, like that
Yeah,
one.
you gotta see what it runs. You gotta see what the 100 to 150
Get
is.
used to it first of all.
Yeah.
It's not no 400 horsepower super.
Yeah, I don't even think I'll get wild like that.
Nah, we gotta test drive this shit when we.
Do a fourth gear
Right
rig
now.
where you know it's not gonna spin.
Yeah.
Feel how aggressive it feels. Get used to it. Work into it. It's a lot of power.
We gotta do a test drive on the way home.
It's not like him. You've been driving a.
We gotta.
You've never driven a car that makes 700 plus to the tire.
500.
Woo! This thing gonna be nasty.
V8,
The soup
thing is gonna be
I don't even
lethal.
think the soup was 5, bro.
This thing is going to be lethal.
Yeah, it's gonna run a 5-second 60 to 130. I guarantee you that.
I'm hoping anywhere in the.
I guarantee.
I just want it to be 599, bro.
It'll be 5.
Fives,
You go drag it tonight. I guarantee
If
it's
Nick's
5.
did 5.3 something on 93 in Octanium, yours is doing on E30 with
Yeah.
a smaller tire in the front. You're definitely doing better.
Yeah, I'll run a 5 with a passenger, so it'll be
You'll
good.
probably run a 5.5 with a passenger. For sure.
I'm safe that way. You can't stay home.
Yeah, just pull everything out. Take the seat out. I'm serious.
I'm not dragging it.
Huh?
Get used to it. Get used to it. Drive it around. It's a little wet though, so be careful.
Oh yeah, you're right. It probably is damp.
Yeah.
Yeah, so be safe. Yeah, we'll wait till tonight.